Check this out. My wife found another thing she likes on the internet. I found this piece of walnut plywood. I think it will work great for this project. Okay, so far so good. 32 degrees over here, 32 degrees over here, 32, 32, and they all match together. Next, I'm going to cut a slot over here so that I can put a spine through it. And eventually I'm gonna have edge banding over here so you won't be able to see the spine anyway. Okay, so in order to make a spine cut over here, I need to make sure the spine is perpendicular to this line here. That means right now this line is at 32 degrees. I'm not gonna change my blade because I also need 32 degrees. And because I tilted the board up 90 degrees, the 32-degree blade is going to make a slot over here. The new slot is going to be perpendicular, in other words, 90 degrees to this edge over here. Okay, now as you can see, I have a perfectly straight spine slot right here. Because the final product sits on the table at an angle, the leg has to be at a slope. So I need to cut from here to about here. And then also on the side, I need to cut another, based on my calculation, 26 degrees of angle right here. So I'm going to make a taper jig that's going to help me cut along this line. At the same time, I'm going to tilt my blade at 26 degrees. So I only need to do one cut to get the final result I needed. A taper cut this way and 26 degrees over here. The two side pieces are mirror images of each other. So this one has to cut this way, this one has to cut this way. This one, the angle is this way, and over here the angle is the other way. So now I have cut a taper jig right here. I added a little notch over here. For this board I need to cut this way. So I will be pushing it through like so. Okay, and for this board, I need to cut this way. So what I'm gonna do is I'll flip the jig over like so, and then have the board rest right here, and then push it through. So let's check it out. Perfect. Mirror image of each other. Awesome. Okay, now I have all the pieces cut, and I've also made two spines to go with them. I could glue them up right now, but I think it might actually be easier if I do the edge binding first. So I'm gonna do that next. Okay, now I'm just waiting for the glue to dry. And after that, I think I'm going to apply a layer of natural wood stain. I think it's gonna really make the texture of the walnut pop. This is the stain I'm gonna use, just natural. Finally, I applied several layers of spray lacquer. This turned out great. Hey, thanks for watching today's video. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is Ding from Ding's Workshop. See you next time.